Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily add a password protection screen to your website. Whether it's a resume that you want to keep private, a PDF ebook that you only want to share with customers, or anything else that you don't want everyone on the web seeing, this video is for you. I'll be using tiny.host to set this all up. It only takes a few minutes to get it all done, so let's get started. So I've just logged into tiny.host now, and this is what their dashboard looks like. To get started, I'm going to click upload, and you can see if you already have a website in a HTML, zip, or PDF format, you can just upload it here. But I'm going to start with one of their examples and use their PDF pitch deck. So we can choose a link name and we can use a custom domain, but I'll just use theirs. I'll call it my pitch deck. And we can see the access gate. This is the important step to add that password protection screen. So I'll select that. You can see we have no restrictions. There's password protected, which we'll use, or we can have capturing emails in front as well, but we'll do password protected. And for the password, I'll say secret. Don't steal my password. So there's a few settings, but we won't worry about that for now. Let's just click publish. And in just a few seconds, this doesn't take long at all. Here's our link. Let's follow that. And here's the website that we just published. We have our password protection screen, and behind this will be the pitch deck. We can customize this, but I'll show you that a bit later. To start off, I'll just quickly show you when you enter the right password, which is secret, and click continue. There is the pitch deck, but only if you knew the password. So to customize that password page, I've gone back to the tiny.host dashboard. What we need to do is find our website, go to the three dots on the right here, and then click customize password page. What this does is it brings up this editor, and there's a few elements that we can update. So on the right, we have this big image. What I'm gonna do is click that, and I wanna replace it with the first slide of my pitch deck. So let's click that. Now we can crop it, but that looks pretty good at the moment. And now our right image is replaced. We can also change this icon here of the padlock, and the text here. For the text, I'm gonna add an exclamation mark. And now to publish this to your website, you just go to the top right and click publish. And this is all super quick. Now I can click view site, and now you can see this is my website with all those changes that we just made. If you enjoyed this video and wanna see more from us, please remember to like and subscribe. With that all said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.